That's a 69 Camaro. That's a real deal steel body. So that's actually been finished about a year.
It's a 1968 Camaro. I've had it 19 years. It's a California car.
That pay we could pay now.
We appreciate your patience.
We are, as the state's community college and this area's community college, we take that community, part of the community college, real seriously. And as you can see from all the vendors that have come out and supported this, other educational institutions, I think we've touched the community.